seeds, a spice loved and used all over the world. For centuries, our ancestors used cumin not only to enhance the flavor of food, but also as a trusted remedy in traditional medicine. It was used to aid digestion and manage conditions like diabetes. In recent years, cumin has caught the attention of researchers, with growing studies exploring its potential health benefits. In this video, we will take a closer look at its nutrition profile and what current research reveals about its health-promoting properties. Cumin seeds are full of valuable nutrients. They add flavor along with a bit of fiber, healthy fats, and important vitamins and minerals, all without adding many calories or carbs. One of the standout nutrients in cumin is iron, which helps carry oxygen in the blood. Low iron can cause tiredness and weakness, especially in children and women of childbearing age. Just a small amount of cumin can provide a good share of the daily iron needs. Cumin also contains other essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, potassium, zinc, and vitamin A, adding to its overall nutritional value. Cumin seeds contain several key bioactive compounds that support their health benefits. The main one is cuminaldehyde, which gives cumin its distinctive aroma and has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial effects. They also contain terpenes like pinene and limonene, known for protecting the body from inflammation and oxidative stress. Flavonoids such as apigenin and luteolin, along with phenolic acids like caffeic acid and ferulic acid, add extra antioxidant power, helping to reduce cellular damage and support overall health. Cumin also provides a small amount of essential fatty acids, including linoleic acid and oleic acid, which help maintain healthy cell function and hormone balance. Together, these compounds contribute to cumin's long history in traditional medicine and the growing scientific research in its health-promoting properties. One of the most well-known traditional uses of cumin is to support digestion, and interestingly, modern research backs this up. Studies suggest that cumin may help improve overall digestive function by increasing the activity of digestive enzymes. This can make it easier for the body to break down food and absorb nutrients. Cumin has also been found to stimulate bile production in the liver, which is important for digesting fat and fat-soluble vitamins. This bile release helps food to move more smoothly through the digestive system. In one small study, people with irritable bowel syndrome experienced noticeable relief from symptoms like bloating and discomfort after taking concentrated cumin extract for just 2 weeks. These findings highlight why cumin has been used for centuries to ease digestion and why it's still valued in both traditional and modern wellness practices. Some research suggests that concentrated cumin supplements can help with weight loss. For example, one study with 88 overweight women found that eating yogurt mixed with 3 grams of cumin helped them lose more weight than yogurt alone. Another study showed that people taking 75 milligrams of cumin supplements each day lost about 3 pounds more than those who took a placebo. Similarly, a study with 78 adults found that those taking a concentrated cumin supplement lost around 2.2 pounds more over 8 weeks than those who didn't. However, not all research agrees. In one study, using a smaller dose of 25 milligrams per day didn't find any weight loss compared to a placebo. So while cumin shows promise, more research is needed to confirm its effect on weight. Antioxidants play a crucial role by stabilizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm your cells. Cumin is naturally rich in antioxidants like terpenes, flavonoids, and phenolic acids. These compounds help neutralize free radicals before they cause damage. This antioxidant activity may explain why cumin is associated with improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and overall cellular protection. Certain compounds in cumin have shown promise in supporting diabetes management. One clinical study found that a concentrated cumin supplement helped improve early signs of diabetes in overweight people compared to a placebo. Cumin also contains substances that may help reduce the long-term damage diabetes can cause. Also, research suggests that cumin may help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies in animals have shown that cumin extract can lower blood glucose, and studies in humans have found it may improve insulin sensitivity, in those with prediabetes. Some research suggests that cumin might help improve blood cholesterol levels. One study found that taking 75 mg of cumin twice a day for 8 weeks reduced unhealthy triglycerides in the blood. Another study showed that cumin extract lowered harmful oxidized bad cholesterol by almost 10% after about 6 weeks. In a study with 88 women, those who ate 3 grams of cumin mixed with yogurt twice daily for 3 months had higher level of good cholesterol compared to those who ate yogurt without cumin. Also, not all research agrees. One study found no changes in cholesterol after taking cumin supplements. Cumin seeds have natural antimicrobial properties, meaning they can help fight harmful bacteria and fungi. Research shows that cumin extract is effective against common bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus, which are known to cause food poisoning and other infections. Some compounds in cumin appear to slow the growth of foodborne bacteria and certain types of fungi. Interestingly, when cumin is digested, it releases a compound called megalomycin, which has antibiotic-like effects. Lab studies also suggest that cumin might reduce antibiotic resistance in some bacteria, although more research is needed to confirm this. Addiction to opioids is a serious and growing problem around the world. These drugs affect the brain reward system, making people crave more and leading to dependence. Some studies in mice have found that certain compounds in cumin may help reduce addictive behavior and ease withdrawal symptoms. While these early findings are promising, it's still unclear if the same benefits apply to humans. Scientists are now working to identify the specific compounds responsible and to test its effect in people. It's a hopeful area of research that could lead to new ways to support addiction recovery in the future. Inflammation is a natural part of the body's defense system, but when it lasts too long, it can contribute to health problems like joint pain or heart diseases. Lab studies have shown that cumin extract may help calm inflammation. A study found that cumin extract was effective in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in humans subject with metabolic syndrome. This effect is thought to come from several natural compounds in cumin, although scientists are still figuring out exactly which ones are responsible. Cumin contains natural compounds that may help protect the brain and improve memory. Older rats given cumin extract showed better memory and less damage from stress in the brain. Cumin may also help the nervous system work more smoothly, which could lead to better focus and movement. Early research also suggests that cumin might have anti-cancer properties. In lab studies, cumin extract slowed the growth of breast cancer cells and reduced the number of colon tumors in rats. These findings are promising, but scientists still need to do more research to understand how cumin might help humans in these areas. Cumin is more than just a flavorful spice. It's packed with potential health benefits backed by research. From helping with digestion and blood sugar to supporting heart health, brain function, and even offering protection against infections, cumin has earned its place in both the kitchen, traditional medicine, and scientific research. Adding cumin to your meal is a simple and tasty way to give your body a natural boost. If you found this video informative and valuable, please like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you write your thoughts in a comment section. Your support means a lot and help me reach more people like you. Stay healthy and keep learning.